Now in this video we are going to learn how to make a quiz in PowerPoint presentation. So the first slide you are going to write quiz and an instruction. For example, select the best option for you. Yeah. In that case you can be, I don't know, you can use your creativity and you can put an image like this one. Then in the second slide we are going to write the word correct. Let me remove this one and try to be so creative. In that case, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So the creativity is not relevant in that case. And in the another slide, you are going to write the word incorrect, and it is the same process. Yeah. After that, we are going to create another slide, and it will have the first question. Let's talk about daily routines. The first question will be, what do you do every day? Yeah. So, and in that we are going to remove this, and we are going to add shapes. The shape that you want. In my case, this one. Just put one of them, then Control C, then Control V for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Organize each of them in this way, and we are going to write the answers. Different answers in this one. For example, we could say, I wake up early and I also do my homework. In this one we can say, I'm playing video games. And the third one, she takes a shower every day. And the last one, eating and sleeping. Then you have to create another slide. Imagine that we wrote 10 questions, okay? After 10 questions, you are going to write the next one. Congrats! You finish your quiz. Remember, never give up. Something like motivation, as you know. So I'm going to delete this one and try to be very organized and creative in that case. After that, there are some details. For example, the second slide, click the right, and look for the option ocultar diapositiva. We are going to do the same process with the third one, ocultar diapositiva. After that, in the slide number 4, select the first answer just one time, and then click right on the right side, and you have to look for hipervínculo. The first answer is correct, so we are going to select lugar de este documento, the second option, and then you are going to select correct. Why? Because this is the right answer. So we are going to select correct and then accept. The another ones will be incorrect, obviously. So hipervínculo, the second options, and incorrect. It is the same process with the another one. Hipervínculo, the second options, incorrect. Hipervínculo, the second options, and correct. Then you have to add another kind of shapes. In this case could be, in this case has to be the last one. For example, this one. You are going to put here, and you have to choose the next slice. Diapositiva siguiente. Accept. And in the last slice, you are going to add this type of shape, a little house here, and you are going to select the first slide, sorry. That's it. And that's it. Now we are going to prove our quiz here. Presentación desde el principio. So click on it. Okay, this is the first slide. The second and the third one, students don't have to see it, to see them. As you see, there are not the two slides. And the third one, it is not there. Just the slide number 4 and the last one. Okay, let's prove it. What do you do every day? I'm playing video games. Incorrect, as you see. That is the third slide, but it is just to appear in a moment, in a special moment. In that case, when you select a wrong answer. Okay, let's try again. What do you do every day? She takes a shower every day. Incorrect. Okay, let's try it again. What do you do every day? I wake up early and I also do my homework. Click. Correct. Okay. Incorrect. Okay. And then you have to click in this shape. And as you know, if you write 10 or 15 questions, when you select this shape, you are going to see the second question, and then you are going to see the third one, and so on. But in that case, I just see the last slides because I just write one question. But at the end, when the student finishes the exam, the last slide has to be this one. Congrats, you finished your quiz. Remember, never give up. And this, a little house, is for, let's try it. Do you see it? Now we are going to learn how to make a quiz in Excel. But first, you have to know that each letter is called columns, and each number in that way is called rows. Okay, so if you select just once, it is called cells. For example, here we have cells A1, cells A2, and cells A3. So in the cells A1, we are going to write quiz, then student's name, and then direction. That means the instructions that you have to give to your students. This is my instructions, and after that you are going to write the first question. In my case, it will be something like daily routine. So the first question will be what do you do every day? After that, you have to write possible answers, and in my case, the first answer is the right one. Next to the question, you are going to write response and feedback. Here we are going to use a formula that is here. It is too long, so that's why we are going to copy and paste here. And then we are going to do some changes. For example, we have here E6, as you see. So we are going to change that in the formula. E16, it would be E6. Okay, E6, E6, and E6. Well, I told you that the first answer is my right answer, right? So the letter A, it has try it again. We are going to change it. We are going to write correct because the letter A is the right answer. And the letter B, we are going to write try it again. And that's it. After that, we are going to prove our formula. My goodness. You have to be so careful, okay? When we prove our formula, the first question, it appears that is correct. What about the letter B? Try it again. The letter C, not really, and the letter D, incorrect. So the letter A is the correct. So after that, you have to write the word points in the columns that you want, and then we are going to use another formula here. In that case, the formula will be, if you want, you can copy in your cell phones or in a notebook. Control C, then the letter F, yeah, the letter F, and then the word correct. We wrote letter F here because it is the columns that are written our feedbacks. So then accept, and that's it. If you see here, we got a point. But if the question is wrong, we could be the letter B, and it appears try it again. We don't have any points. We got a 0. But if you write the letter A, you got a point, and so on. You have to do the same process with other questions. After that, you have to click here and the cell that the student are going to write or write the letter. Then click Formato de celda, the last choice, unblock, and then accept. After that, here students name, they have to write their name, so we are going to do the same process, the last choice, unblock, and accept. After that, you have to go here and then protect sheet. We are going to write a password and just select the second one, the second option, accept, and then the password again. And that's it. We are going to prove our quiz. Let's say Pedro thinks that the first question is the letter B. Try it again, and he doesn't get any point. But what about the letter A? And he get a point. So that's it. That is the way that you can do a quiz in Excel. Thanks for watching.